Hi everybody, it's Cooking Keto with Carlos and Dr. Brown today. Last time we had keto pizza and then the cookies.
Yes.
I think that you ended up taking all of the cookies that we made because I don't remember having any.
I gave it to the poll.
Oh, really? But today we have brought you something very special because what we've been thinking about is how can we make something very quick for people that are on the run like we are. It would be great to have something that is fast, tasty, and keto.
Yes.
And so this one over here found some great recipe. Where'd you find that recipe?
TikTok, of course. The 90-second keto bread.
Yeah, my God, bread. It's been such a long time since I've had bread. Dr. Brown is gonna show us how to make this amazing bread. We're also gonna prepare a nice salad that I like to make every day for myself. And then we're gonna eat the meal in front of you, obviously. So why don't we get started?
Yes.
All right?
Here you go.
Okay, great.
To make it
I'll
official.
take this, yes.
Have a
Oh,
little
yeah, an apron.
Flair and drama.
Okay, drama, we love the drama.
The big part about the 90-second keto, what makes it keto, the keto flour. The most common is almond flour. But in my going down the rabbit hole, almond flour by itself, a little bland.
Yeah, for sure.
So what I did is I pumped it up and made a little bit of sun.
Oh, nice.
So the pump is actually pumpkin seed flour. The key is it has to be ground very fine. It can't be coarse.
Okay.
And the same thing for sunflower. And mixed equal parts with almond flour. All right.
Yum.
Then the other parts are the fats.
Yes.
So what we have in making this, a tablespoon of butter. It's better to add more than less. The other part of the protein are 1 large egg. And we have 2 other ingredients, the baking powder and salt. You're only
That's
using
easy.
1 container because this is going to be a nice slice of bread, which we can cut in half. Carlos brought roast beef and cheddar.
Yes.
And
raw cheddar, by the way. Raw cheese is so good.
So the first start,
Yeah.
we're going to heat up the butter.
Okay. How many seconds actually, right?
For the butter itself, really only like 60 seconds. You just want it to melt thoroughly.
Okay, 60 seconds. Butter, sir.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Appreciate. So we have the butter and 1 egg. Crack it on a flat surface. And then we just mix it up. It doesn't have to be very fine. Again, this is just meant to be something really quick. Now my hands are clean, of course.
Yeah, of course.
So
yeah.
I'm going to say that's about 1 tablespoon.
Awesome.
2 tablespoons.
Okay.
3
Yeah.
tablespoons.
Yeah,
right?
that's how my grandmother measured in
Yeah,
the kitchen.
honestly.
All her food was good.
Yeah, and this is a teaspoon, half teaspoon, sorry, of baking soda.
Okay.
And a pinch of salt.
And that's just a pinch. Okay.
If you have the measuring, that's fine, but if you've done it a few times, and again, this is kind of trying it out, and I know when the consistency is right, I can always add in a few more things
Exactly.
to make it. So I'm looking for what's going to be kind of this soupy material, and it'll slime up.
Yeah.
And that's just the protein and the fat mixing in with all of the flour, or the pumpkin seed and almond flour. And that's about it. Pop this in. And this is the trick, 90 seconds.
Okay.
It's all cooked.
Oh.
Here it is all cooked.
Yeah.
All you have to do is flop it. And you can see that it is nice and airy. And you can let it cool off a little bit. Sometimes you can add just a little bit of olive oil.
Well, let's look at these pumps that you have.
Yes,
This
yes.
is amazing, this olive oil pump. I love that.
If you want to add some balsamic, you can do that. But then you just cut right down the middle. And then that's your slice.
Oh my God.
Yep.
That's incredible.
2 slices, right? So now, Maestro, I've made the bread. Well,
Okay.
we've made the bread. It's your turn to make us a dazzling sandwich.
Okay, great. So this is pretty easy peasy right here. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna just try with the prosciutto. I mean, that's pretty
Can never go
simple.
wrong.
You never can go wrong with prosciutto. Even though I love me some roast beef, but let's go with the prosciutto. Why don't we
And
do?
while you're working on
Yeah.
that, I'm going to work on the peppers.
Okay, great. You know what? Why don't we do prosciutto and roast beef? Why can't we do
I would
both?
do roast beef because I'm going to put the prosciutto in the peppers.
Okay, so we'll do the roast beef here.
Yeah. All I'm doing with these is I just shove it.
Oh, that's
Shove
amazing.
it in the pepper.
That's
And
amazing.
then I just take a little bit of goat cheese, slap that on top. It's kind of like an ice cream cone, but with goat cheese
Wow.
and prosciutto.
That is an amazing little thing that you
Yeah.
made there. Yeah.
So you can see how I'm putting this. It's kind of like caviar.
Oh, that's so amazing.
Yes.
Okay, all right, I'm so into that. Okay. Not complicated at all. Look at that. That is so amazing right there.
90 seconds, and
Yeah.
bada bing, bada boom.
Now, arugula is such a great vegetable. It's just packed with so many vitamins, A, K, C, just a whole host of good stuff for your body. And vitamins just help your body to operate properly.
Absolutely.
And right here, what we're doing is making our food our medicine. We've got some healthy fats involved with our sandwich here, as well as some nice vegetables and protein. And also, who said that people who eat keto can't have carbs? Strawberries are carbs.
Blueberries.
Yes, blueberries, blackberries, right? The reason why these are such great carbs to have is because they are low in sugar and high in fiber, which is great. So I'm gonna put those strawberries on there. This is a salad that I have pretty much every day. I like to take strawberries and some red peppers and then a little bit of basil.
Oh wow, fresh basil.
Yeah, fresh basil. We'll mix it all around in there. Okay,
Good. Just squirt some olive oil.
please, by all means, do that.
There's some
So-
balsamic if you want to.
Yeah, oh, actually, I just had this. This is an olive oil garlic mix, but let me tell you, this salad dressing is amazing. So I'm gonna just sprinkle some of that on there. It's got some nice spices in it
Excellent.
as
Fantastic.
well. That's beautiful.
Great. So we'll cut the sandwich in half.
Yeah, we'll cut it in half because I already had part of a sandwich earlier, so that now I can try this.
Right?
It's having so many different flavors to it. It's so good.
And then peppers.
Okay, let's try it. Oh my God. What a great little snack to have.
And it's super easy.
So yummy.
Yeah. Yeah, it's ridiculous.
And then you have some salad too.
Super quick, super easy, very nutritious, keeps you on your keto.
Yeah.
The other part of it is intermittent fasting. So I would say that's the thing I struggle with the most. I'm really trying to reach about 16 hours.
Right.
So it's not realizing that I'm breaking a fast. Like
Exactly.
I would have my morning coffee, which would be, oh, I'll add a little bit of cream.
He was like this.
Yeah. So it turned out like my coffee was like 250 calories.
Yeah. And you know, I think a lot of people who start out with fasting, they don't understand that if you have anything that's over 50 calories, it's going to take you out of your fast. So if you're having coffee with heavy cream or cream in the morning, reduce it to get it at least under 30 calories so that you can continue your fast throughout the morning. And then you can enjoy a big cup of that, you know, sometime in the afternoon, which I know you do.
Yeah. As soon as 1 o'clock comes around, big old bowl of coffee. Yeah.
100%. Keto and intermittent fasting have to be done together in order for you to burn fat. This type of meal is the perfect type of meal to have.
Super easy.
Yep. On the go. It's delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's little quick keto meal. Dr. Brown and I will be bringing you much more videos like this. If you have any comments or questions, please visit our website, which is earnestmedicine.org.
The whole purpose is to actually just share experiences, share stories, share good food, good times, all of those things. That's what really makes life worth living.
Exactly. So we'll see you guys again. Take care.
Adios.
I have to finish my sandwich, so okay. Goodbye. Yum.
It's good.
Bye.